There was a family, much confusion as you will see. There was a mama and a papa, and a boy who was grown, wanted to marry and a wife of his own. Found a young girl who suited him nice, went to his papa to ask his advice. His papa said, son, you have to say no. That girl is your sister, but your mama don't know. Whoa, it's real. Shame and scandal in a family. Whoa, it's me. Shame and scandal in a family. Get good loss, no? A week went by and the summer came down. Soon the best cook in the island he found. Went to his papa. Papa shook his head. Ah shit, forgot. You can't marry that girl. Me have to say no. That girl is your sister, but your mama don't know. Whoa, sweet. Shame and scandal in a family. Whoa, it's real. Shame and scandal in a family. Let's go take a clue. He went to his mama and covered his head and told his mama what his papa had said. His mama she laughed, she says, go man go. Your daddy ain't your daddy, but your daddy don't know. Whoa, it's real. Shame and scandal in a family. Whoa, it's real. Shame and scandal in a family. Whoa, 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 it's real. Shame and scandal in a family. Whoa, it's real. Shame and scandal in a family.
Oh mein Gott. Applaus für Sebastian Sturm. Vielen Dank, dass du heute hier bist. Jetzt sind wir aber wirklich am Ende angelangt und ich glaube, Sebastian hat sich auch den Feierabend jetzt redlich verdient. Ich habe hier doch, glaubt mir.
After Show Party.
Ich habe hier